I absolutely love growing basil. My husband and I, Ian, we really love pesto, so we grow an awful lot of it every year. I want to show you a really, really quick way of sowing your own basil seed, because it is actually one of the veg that's quite quick. So that's very good news at the moment. So first of all, as I've done, fill a modular tray with some seed compost, and then make some tiny holes. Once you've given it a really good water, make some tiny holes in the top. I'm using a pencil. Make them say like 1/2 centimetre deep, something like that. And then we start sowing our seed. So the one I'm using here, the lovely Thai basil. I really like Thai basil. We love Thai green curries. So it's definitely a favourite for me. There's so many different types of basil. Most of them are annual, but some are perennial as well. So do have a little look. The seed companies offer a really good range if you can get hold of the seed at the moment. And then all you do is sow a tiny pinch of 3 or 4 seeds into each individual hole. It takes a bit of getting used to. Just wiggle your fingers back and forth so gently. You'll get your iron. And as I say, that is all you need to be doing. So once you've sown your seed, just gently cover over the hole with your pencil again, or your dibber, whatever you've got to hand. And after that, give it a really light water in, really light. You don't want to wash the seeds away. And then we pop it in a propagator that's set between, say, 18 to 25 degrees. Basil is quite tender, so you do need it to be relatively warm in your propagator. So the basil's been in the propagator. I sowed some here on the 23rd of March, and now we today are the 3rd of April, and you can see they're already starting to germinate and come through. Leave them in the propagator at this stage until they've all fully emerged. So just to give you an idea of how quickly basil will grow, these were sown exactly the same way on the 11th of March, and as I say, we're now the 3rd of April. So within 3 weeks or so, they are then ready for the next stage, which is potting on. So what I've done, I've filled a lovely terracotta pot here, because basil does like free drainage and terracotta does wick moisture away quite nicely. Terracotta pot with some multi-purpose compost, and then I just very carefully push that out, grab the whole clump gently. You can see the roots have already started to form together. Make a hole in the pot with my finger and put the whole clump in like that.